Hey, hi guys, good morning. Let me share my screen first. I hope my screen
Yeah.
is visible to all of you,
uh,
right? Yes?
Yes, BA1 Amit.
Yes. So last class we have discussed about what? Difference between process and thread and multi-threading, right?
Right.
Correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Then today is our topic is what? Do you know what we are going to learn today? No.
No.
Okay. So today we'll understand 1 minute. Today's 20, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we will learn why to create thread in Java. Why? Or we need to understand where to create thread in Java. Correct? Way to create thread in Java, and we'll understand methods and constructor in thread class. Along with also we'll understand thread lifecycle. Correct? What we told you, where to create thread, what all those way we have in multi-threading to create a thread. Correct? And second, what all those method and constructor in thread class. And last, we'll understand what is thread lifecycle. Correct? Any question? No?
No.
No. Many what? Way to create thread.
Right.
Yes. Way to create thread
Yeah.
in Java, right? Yes or no? We create thread in Java. Then what all those
So,
important what methods and constructor in where thread class, right?
Right. Yeah.
Then what is thread life cycle, correct? So our agenda is to what learn all these 3 points, which is most important for everyone. Yes or no? If we are going to a multi-threading, then all these 3 points we should understand, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you confirm?
mm,
So all these 3 points, what we need to understand. If we will understand all these 3 points, then our confidence will automatically what?
increase.
Okay.
Yes, enhanced. Okay. So we'll start first way to create thread in Java. Okay. Okay. Please be focused. It's most important for us. Okay. Do you any idea? Let me know how many ways.
No.
No, no problem. Guys, see, generally, generally, what? Generally, we have what? Mostly two ways, not 2 days, 2 ways to create thread. Okay, in Java. Correct? Yes. Then, guy, you have question, Amit. What all those 2 ways? Yes or no? What all those 2 ways? So first, using what guy? Using what thread class? Using
Third class.
Yes. And second we'll get what? Using runnable interface. Yes or no? Did you heard? Or no? Using runnable what?
Interface.
Interface. I will explain again both of these ways. Don't worry. First, need to understand what all those ways. So using thread class and using runnable interface. Please mute yourself who is not speaking. So here, these ways we have to create thread. So let's see. First, you need to understand what is thread class. Yes or no, guys? Because if we are going to create a thread in first way, right? Correct? So you need to understand what is thread class. Already I've explained in very depth what is thread. Yes or no? I hope you should not have any confusion. Even if you have any confusion, you go what? In my video number first and two, where I have
Yeah.
explained completely what is thread. Correct? If anyone has
Yes.
any question, any concern about what is thread, okay, please go and watch my first initial video. Then you can jump in this video. So your understanding will automatically what? Clear. Correct? Yes. So guys, see, first way I'm going to explain. So understand here. Using thread class. So guys, thread class is a class. Okay. Thread class is a class in Java which is available in our java.lang package. What guys? I can write here. What? This class, what guys? This class is available. Yes, no? This class is available in guys. Where? In our
Lang package.
yeah Java dot what guys? Java dot lang
Mm.
package. Yes or no guys? Any question? No.
Yes.
This class will be in our Java dot lang package. Means we didn't create this class. This thread class we didn't create it. This class is created by Java only. That's why this class is available inside our java.lang package. Any question? No, sir. I hope you don't have any confusion. Okay, see, this package part of the Java platform. Yes or no? And automatically what? Imported into all Java programs by default. Yes or no? Guys, yes. Great. So guys, see, so we didn't create this class. So this class has provided by Java. That means what? This class has various method calls to manage the behavior of threads by providing constructor and method to perform operation. Yes or no? This point I can write also, so you can understand in future also what. So Java provide what? Java provides. Tell me guys. Java provides a thread class. Right? A thread class, correct? Okay, important understand because Java has provided this class guy. We are not going to create this.
Yeah, yeah.
So Java provides a thread class guy that has what? That has various methods calls. Yes or no? Methods
Yeah.
calls.
Oops.
Yes. To manage the behavior. Behavior. Yes or no? Of thread by providing okay, providing constructors and methods to perform what guy? Perform multiple Yes or no? Operations. Okay. Any confusion this line? No. So the part say thread class that has various methods calls to manage the behavior of thread by providing constructors and methods to perform multiple operations. Okay, I hope you should not have any single confusion. Correct? Okay, correct? Any question till now? I hope no, right? Okay, please respond. Any question till now? No?
No.
No. Guys, see, no. We'll understand, already understand what is thread class, then understand for how to create thread using thread class and its life cycle. So, okay? Now, how to understand, correct? So, okay, for that purpose,
Yeah.
going to create one small diagram and along with what? One small program, and I will go related. So guys, please be concentrate. Okay, this is most important topic what I'm going to discuss now. Are we good now? So will
Yes, Amit.
writing will sorry not writing will drawing one diagram that is a third life cycle. Okay, third life cycle. Good. First understand guy. Then I will correlate with our program guy. Okay. I see. Okay, understand. Okay, it's very important. Then this should be this one. Okay, how are you feeling for multi-threading? It's going good or how it is? No, sir, it's not going good. Yeah, understanding very well.
Yeah, with understanding.
You don't any confusion, right? In confusion.
No, no, up to this, to no.
Okay, then till end also you should not have any confusion. Guys, see. So guys, see, this is our thread creation. Thread
Yes.
creation. अभी जो है ना
Kavan. Kavan.
and bond. Thread creation and bond. Correct? This part guy, thread creation and bond. Okay, so we can use this one to this one. Okay, so you may question Amit, what is this block? Okay, yes, guys, see this block is runnable. Okay, and guys, this block is called running. Correct, and this block is called dead. Guys, see if you concentrate, then your concept will clear completely. Okay? If you're not concentrated, then the entire life your concept will here and there. Then guys see non-runnable like you may heard guy sleep method. Yes or no?
There's salted pretzel bites and there's a drink here and white cheddar. Everything on the
Please
list.
mute yourself who is not speaking. Please requesting to you.
Here's the receipt. There's people behind you if you don't mind.
1 second, ma'am. I just want to put them totally.
Then guys see non-runnable like sleep, wait, suspend. Okay, so let me enhance the size of this, then you can clearly it's visible. Okay, yes, guys, very very important, please be concentrated. I'm repeatedly telling you. You have seen this diagram multiple places, but might be you don't have clarity. Ankit, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. Please be focused. This is my own creation. This is my understanding and my own creation. So by that you will remember forever. Okay. Guys, please unmute. I'm not telling to tell anything. Mute. Because this is a going recording, right? That's why. Then guys, this one and this one. Yes. Correct? Yes. Then guy, I will draw, not draw guy, I will write one program, a simple program, and with that I will what? Correlate. Okay, understand?
Can you explain this diagram once
No, no, no,
again?
no, no,
It,
no. I will not explain first. I will explain with the code guy. With
okay,
code,
good.
how we're going to correlate all these points. I will explain, completely explain. Don't worry. I will explain completely. Without explanation, how it complete guy? Not possible. Listen. First understand.
Yeah. Okay.
Guys, see. First, we will have one class, guys. No? Class and guy, see, this is guy, our created class, my class. Okay, this guy, my class, my class extends. Okay, my class, my class extends. And guy, you know very well, if you are going to extend your class from a other class, that time guy, you will get all the feature in your class from which class you're going to extend. Yes or no? Get tell me yes or no?
Yes.
So class, my class extends guy thread class. Yes or no, guy?
Third.
Amit, I'm
Yeah.
right. So class, 1 minute because this is guys see my class. This is guy our class extend thread. That means guy what we understood. So with this whatever the feature we have in our thread class, you can get not by default. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's why I have told you here. You may understand. See, using thread class means if you are going to create any thread in Java, that means the first approach using thread class. Correct? Yes. So first guy, this guy is step number one. Guy, this is step number one. Yes or no? Guy, understand? This is step. This is step number one. Why? Because if you are going to create a thread in a Java, so you need to extend your class from thread class. Great guy. Any question? I hope no, right? Okay. Any question? I hope no, right?
No.
No. Okay. This thing I need to put in this place. Okay. Yes. Then guys see. So you know very well guy what is override. Suppose if you are going to provide on implementation. Yes or no? If you're going to provide your own
Yes.
implementation, that means you can override any method. Yes or no? So guys, see in our third class, we have a method that get run method. Yes or no? So guys, you can see here public. That is our override method. Override. Okay. Okay, the method is what? Public void run. Guys, please be concerned. Very important. This point. Okay. So in this guy, we can write your own thread implementation. Okay. you can write what guy? You can write your own thread what guy? Meditation. Okay. So guy, that is one thing you should keep in mind. Guy, that is our what? Step number 2. Any question, guy? I hope no, right? This is our step number
No.
2. Guy, please becomes very important. Okay, yes. Then guys, see, as usual, you will have one main method. Guy. What guy? You will have one main method. That is
Main method.
yes. Okay. Public static. What guy? Void main. You know very correct. This is our main method from where we can start our execution. Correct? Yes or no, guy? Any question? No, right?
No.
Good. Yes. Guys, see. Guys, see, not very important. In main method, guy, what I am going to do, guy, you know very well. If you are going to what? Yeah, if you're going to call any what guy method, yes or no? If you're going to call, what happened? This one. One minute, guy. 1 minute. Guy, 1 minute. Guy, please 1 minute. Yes. So guys, see, if you are going to call any method, guys, see what you need, guy. Tell me. Object, yes or no? Guy, tell me, yes or no? Guy, can you confirm? If you would like to call
Yeah.
method, guy, what you need, guy? Tell me. Object or not? Good. Yes, Amit. 100%.
Yes.
Object. So guys, see what I'm doing here. So guys, I'm creating object of our my class. Guys, yes or no? Guys, see
Yes.
Yes.
my class. My sorry, not guy. Yes. Guys, see this time you should not give the name guy my class. You need to put the my thread. Yes or no, guy? That is more understandable. Yes or no? My thread. Correct? Yes or no? So come here. What happened for this? It's not removed. Okay, leave it, no problem. We'll write, yeah. So you see, this is guy my thread. So I am going to create the object of our my thread class. Correct? So you see my thread. Correct? So you see, you know, my thread empty equals to get new my thread. Any question? No, no. Any question? No. So guys, this is the our way to create the object. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. With the help of what? My thread empty equal to new my thread. Due to this, I can create object. Yes or no? Any question, guys? Till now, no. So guys, see that is our step number 3. Guys, understand? That is guys step number 3. Good. So first, guy, we are going to extend our class from thread class. Second, guy, we have override. Yes or no, guys? We have override the run method. That is guy step number 2, and we can provide the implementation of our thread what we are going to create. And again, then in our main method again, we can create the object of our created class. Yes or no, guys? Created thread class. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. Guys, tell me. Then guys, if I am going to call empty dot run method guy, can tell me guy, it will run or not? Okay, tell me.
What?
If we are going to call empty dot run, can we call this method and it will give third class run method
Yes.
implementation? No guy, no,
Yes.
no. That is completely wrong. So if you are going to call the run method and if you would like to run our thread created, it will not give the result guy. So that's why guy, in our third class guy, one method is there guy, that is called empty dot start. Guy understand? Empty dot start. Guy see this start method, when you call the start method guy, available inside our third class. Keep in mind guy. Because right? I will show this guy. I will show this in our ID. But this is our pseudocode. So if you're going to call empty to start, you can tell Amit where is start? Yes or no? Where is start method? Yes or no? Can you see this start method is available inside our guy third class? Yes or no guy? Where guy? Third class. Great. So start method in our
Insert thread.
third class. So when you are going to call start method internally, run method will invoked. Are you getting guy? Then guy, this implementation what you written, it will work guy. Otherwise, it will not work. Any question guy? No Amit. Okay, any question? No. So guy, this is our step number 4. So guys see, so this 4 step you should keep in mind guy. This 4 step, if you will keep in mind, then you can tell yes how we can create a thread using thread class. Any question guy till now? No Amit. Yes Amit, tell me. Any question?
So what this method does, Amit? This
This,
start method.
this method does activate the run method. Until unless if you will not call start method, this will not work. So I've told you this start method is available inside our thread class. So when you're going to call a start method, only this run method will activate. I will show in the ID. Don't worry.
Okay.
As of now, just keep in mind we have 4 steps to create a thread using thread class. What all the step guy? First step, your class will extend with thread class. Then you're going
Thread
to
class.
override the run method which is available inside our thread class because they have
Thread
not been.
class.
Yeah, so as per implementation, what we are going to tell to the thread, hey, you can do this two tasks because you know very well, right? What thread does guy? Suppose in VLC media player, it is a process, yes or no? So in that process, we have multiple subtasks. So listening the music, watching the video, yes or no? Time tracking, pause. You will have multiple operation, yes or no? Are you getting not?
Yes.
So, so this run method will operate because in this program, you know how many threads we have? You have 2 threads. One is main thread and one is our creator thread. Yes or no? Guys, tell me.
Run.
We have 2 threads because we are going to create one more thread to perform some other tasks. Yes or no? Suppose main thread will perform some tasks. I can tell hey other thread you can perform some other operation. Yes or no? Why thread needed guy? Because if you will have multi-thread in your program, then you can perform multiple tasks. Yes or no guy? Are you getting not?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's why guy, if you are going to get in this way using thread class, then you can perform multiple tasks. Guy, I will show everything in ID, but as of now, for basic understanding, what all the step we will have to create a thread. Yes or no? So we have first step. My thread class action with thread class. Second, you need to override run method which can perform our task guy. Yes or no? Then guy, third step, you need to create object over thread class because this all the things we have in our this class. Yes, okay? We are getting the feature from thread class, but what operation are going to perform in which class guy? In my thread class. You know? That's why we need to create object over thread class. Our my thread class guy. Then guy we can call empty.start method. If you're going to call empty.start method guy, only you can achieve, we can activate the run method, then it can perform task. So guys, now you understand this thing, guys. This diagram how, guys, see step number, guy, step number, this guy 3, guy, this 3 guy. Okay, so this is guy step number 3 guy. Then you can tell Amit why this is step number 3 guy. You can tell Amit why this is step 3. Guy, understand? Guys, see why I'm telling this step number 3, because you know very well, guy. When I've told you, guy, I've told here what? I've told here what? My thread empty equal to new my thread. This guy creation of thread. This guy. This is the creation of thread, born of thread, guy. This place we are what, creating one thread. That means a thread is going to born or not. Tell me, guy, yes or no? Guy, please confirm. It's very important. So this place we are going
Yeah,
to one thread means born some thread. Guys, see thread creation of born. Guy, yes or no? So guys, see whenever if any thread will born, guy, only it can start some work. Yes or no, guy? Tell me yes or no? Until unless if they not born, we cannot tell to them, hey, you can start the work. So after creation the thread, only we can tell, hey, now you can start your work. Guys, see that's okay. This runnable is, guy, that stage where we can tell to start your work. That means, guy, this step will mean start the work. That is, guy, step number 4. That is step number 4. See, we are going to start. Then, guy, they can perform some task or not, guy. Start means now you can start your work. When we can call start, then, guy, this method will call internally run method. So that's okay. I mentioned. So the step number 4, guy, you know what's doing, guy? It will start its work. Yes, okay, guy. Start it works. Great, guy. Any question? Guy, step number 3 is creation of
no,
bot and step 4, guy, runnable. It's come on the runnable. So now it is ready to start work. Yes, okay, guy. It is ready to start it works. Correct, guy? Yes. Then, guys, see we can move next step, guy. Guys, see that is, guy, running. Guy, running. So, guy, you know one thing, what the thing you keep in mind. So JVM will, guy, allocate the processor, guy. This time when the thread is ready to start its work, then JVM will allocate the processor. GVM will allocate the processor to this respective thread, because what thread, what type of work they can perform. Yes, no, guys? Suppose one thread perform video task, one thread perform audio task, one thread can perform what, time taking, one thread can perform pausing. Yes, no, guys? So, guys, I can write here. So JVM, guys, JVM will allocate. JVM will what? Allocate. Allocate the processor. Allocate the what, guy? Pro.
process,
Yes. Guy, understand? Very important, guy. GM will allocate the processor. Allocate the processor. Correct, guy? Then, guy, you may have one question. Amit, how it will allocate the processor, guy? So, guys, see internally. So they will have different type of algorithm. You may know, guy, sometimes first come first serve. Yes, no, guy? First come first serve. Then, guys, sometimes round robin. So, guys, different type of algorithm they have. Due to that, they are going to allocate the processor of different thread. Yes or no, guy? Guy, tell me yes or no. Yes, Amit. So internally, guy, internally they have what, different what, guy, algorithm. Yes or no, guy, different algorithm. Guy, tell me yes or no. Internally they have, guy, what, tell me, guy, they have different algorithm.
algorithms,
Yes, algorithms to allocate the processor for different thread. Guy, tell me yes or no. Any question? No, Amit?
yes,
No? Guys, see, this is all things are happening internally. Keep in mind. Okay? Happening internally. So, guys, this is our third step. Guys, see, also, guys, along with this, you need to understand sometimes guy our thread scheduler come into picture. Sometimes thread scheduler come into picture to perform this task guy. Keep in mind guy what important point. Sometimes our JVM will allocate the processor for different thread. And guys, sometimes also you may heard guy job what scheduler, thread scheduler. So they will what allocate the process for different thread. Yes or no guy? Yes. When guy this is come into running state, if they can perform the task, then guy after completion his task guy, they will come in our dead state. Yes or no guy? Get me yes or no? Yes or no? After completion the
Yes.
task it will come in get did state guys see. So I got think I will explain in coming video guys. Okay, just join after this guy session. Okay, good guy, any question? Our time will complete here. Okay.